In order to cancel your Claude AI Pro plan, what you need to do is go to a new browser. You can do this on mobile or desktop, it doesn't matter. Go to Claude.ai, log into your account, and once you're logged into your account, go to the lower left-hand corner and you'll see your account name with the Pro plan underneath it. Click on that option there, and then go to Settings, which is the gear icon here. And then once under Settings, you want to go to the middle here and select Billing. Once under Billing, you'll see something here at the bottom that says Cancellation, Cancel Plan. Go ahead and just click the Cancel button here. It tells you to give them a reason as to why you're canceling your plan, and then go ahead and click Cancel Plan right here at the bottom, and you are good to go. You may have to confirm your email address that's linked to your account, but after that, once that current month's billing cycle is up, like you can see here, I can use it until February 28th, 2026, you would have a canceled Pro plan, and if you wanted to re-up, you'd have to come back to the same section here under Billing and find a plan that fits your current use case. I'll have a pinned comment down below with all of the most frequently asked questions and problems that you may run into, and we'll see you guys in the next video.